Hello everyone, in this video we will explain to create object. Yes, first we are creating person class. Person class has a function. This function is init function. Init function has two parameters. This is first parameters. This is two parameters. Okay. Then person in this row person class assigns to P1. John and 36 parameters of person class. Okay. Then we are printing name elements of P1 object. Okay, in this row. In under row we are printing each element of P1. Okay, and output is in the top John under 36. Okay, I hope you can understand. Thank you very much for listening patiently. Have a good time. See you later. Goodbye. Also, you can follow from social media account and YouTube channel. Have a good time. Goodbye. See you next video.